FLYE Group announced a 1-for-5 reverse stock split, effective July 7, 2025. The company's common stock will begin trading on a post-split basis when the market opens on July 7, 2025, under the same symbol FLYE, but with a new CUSIP number. The reverse stock split has been approved by the company's stockholders and board of directors. As a result of the reverse stock split, each 5 pre-split shares of common stock will be automatically combined into 1 share of common stock without any change in the par value per share. A proportionate adjustment will be made to the per-share exercise price and the number of shares issuable upon the exercise of all outstanding warrants to purchase shares of common stock. The reverse stock split is intended to increase the market price per share of the company's common stock to maintain its NASDAQ listing and to attract certain institutional and other investors. In other financial developments, FLYE closed a public offering of 28,595,553 shares of common stock and 57,191,106 warrants to purchase common stock, with gross proceeds of approximately $6.94 million. Each share of common stock was sold together with 2 warrants, with each warrant exercisable immediately at 120% of the offering price and expiring on the 5th anniversary of the issuance date. The net proceeds from the offering will be used for purchase of inventory, production costs of vehicles, and working capital. The company intends to use this capital to support its growth strategy and expand its operations in the electric mobility sector. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.